Okay, so now I've gotten toward the very end, and this is by the short end, not the long end. I'm on the short end still. You can see where I can take in the, if I pull it tighter, you can see all my stitches are in here, okay, because of the ripples. So just hold on to either end of it and pull it like this a little bit, and you get rid of the ripples, kind of. Okay, wanted to show you when you get to the very end here, you're going to want to do your stitches on either side of the end. So you start on one side here, at the top, you just take a small stitch, at the very top here, just a small stitch. And then you go over the top to the other side and do another small stitch. And when I say small, it's like 1 millimeter, whatever those little things are. Real teeny, tiny. Okay. Now, you're not going to pull it tight, okay? You're just going to pull it so the thread lays over the top of it like this. Just lays over the top. Go on the other side, do another small stitch. Pull it again so it just lays over the top. Okay, so it's just laying on the top there. Again on the other side. You might need 2, 3, 4, whatever, just to get to the very end. Okay. Now for the last one, go over to the other side and go into the very corner here. Okay? So you're going to go through the corner like this. It's hard to see. Sorry. Kind of like that. Pull it up. Now the fun part. Hold the other end of this and this end, and if you can watch, if I pull it tight, now it closes that whole seam at the very top. Straighten it out a little bit. Now it's closed at the top, except for that little bubble I got, but that's okay. Now you're going to knot it. Right where you put that last stitch through, you're going to go through it again and put a knot in. I like to put 2 in because I just do. Okay, and then you cut it. You cut it very short to the knot. So here's your seam. And we call this a blind stitch because when you open it out and lay it flat, you don't have that big bump if you had gone back and forth like this. You're just going over the tops. So it's going to lay nice and flat, which is what you're going to want eventually to be. Okay? So that's one of the small side edges. Now you're going to flip it over and you're going to do the exact same thing to the other short edge. Not the long one, that's last. Let's do the other short edge and then I'll come back to you.